Ninjani kwakhozi?
Siyaphila thina njani wena?
Ngiyaphila nami.
Yeah. Ungene kuleli sonto lika mfundisi uTB Joshua uneminyaka 16. Kwenzeka kanjani awusilandise dadewethu?
Mfethu yabona ke ilento ukuthi uma wathola inkonzo ayijoyina ngoba khona uanti olamu baba obegula. Ngaleso sikhathi ubephethwe HIV. And then kwafika labafundisi from Africa abathi bayakwazi bona ukulapha HIV balapha zonke izifo thizeni. So uma ke yena ke wa joina lebandla ngoba lo mfundisi thizeni uthe uyakwazi ukulapha ingculaza. I may join inkonzo uma obviously ingane nathi ulapha uma eyakhona nathi siya.
Yeah.
Hayi uma join inkonzo si join inkonzo then kube right kube normal church but in an overnight service ya Friday, Saturday kune prayer, Sunday inkonzo.
Likuphi lesonto?
Inkonzo belisegoli.
Oh, okay.
Belisegoli.
Yeah.
And then inkonzo mayenzeka kanjalo umfundisi bese angikhetheke mina phakathi kwabonke abantu. Athi kuma wami phela the way they design le inkonzo ukuthi when you are close to a man of God, is status.
Yes.
Like you are very close to uNkulunkulu.
Yes, most yeah.
Ngoba phela isho they already groom us ukuthi uzucabanga ukuthi hayi umfundisi uyiprophet and it means ukuthi uyezwa. Uzwa nemicabango yakho uma ucabanga ungekho phambi kwakhe. So ufuna ugade nje lento oyicabangayo whatever urepent the same time.
Yebo.
So umfundisi wangikhomba wathi sihle sibisi wena you are born of the world but you're not of the world. So ufuna uzohlala emission house. Cabanga ngasuka ekhaya ngayohlaliswa emission house.
Uneminyaka emingaki la?
Ngifunda umatric I just ngiya ku matric at that time. So hlala emission house, ngahlala emission house for some time. Emission house mawufika nakhona criteria ukuthi uhlala emission house. Number 1 you must undergo HIV test. Wonke umuntu.
Okay, wonke umuntu.
So ngaleso sikhathi sazi ukuthi thina hayibo sitestelwa because umfundisi ayithi bathi ulapha ingculaza. If una ingculaza ayozokulapha umfundisi.
Yebo.
Kanti no, masoyibheka manje umfundisi ubesefa ukuthi ubani angalala naye, ubani angeke amthinte. Because laba abaclean abangena ngculaza yibo laba beyadlala nabo. Wena ugula nje amfethu feel imovite, ufeel umthandazo, ufeel ukufasta. You understand?
Wait, so ufast ukuthi uthandazo lokhu ukuthandaza njalo.
Kuphela ingculaza iphume phela emzimbeni, ufeel imovite, ufeel ukufasta, ufeel yonke lento yakho, you understand? Then from there umfundisi kaqaleke lento yakhe ukuthi guys usikhathi ngihlala emission house, mange university eVits ngihamba ngifaka indwa ngamalapha phela umfundisi udabuke eZambia.
Oh yeah.
So usilethela amalapha wabiza ichitenge. Bakuthiwa sifaka amabhluku so ufaka ilapha moya esikoleni awucabanga
University.
University awucabanga mfethu ngimuhle kangaka Nkosi yami Nkosi uJesu ngifaka ilapha university ngoba phela ngisho bathi ufune umzimba wethu singawubonisi.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Uya university but mangifika university hayi fine ufunda ubuye. Then it started lapho umfundisi sekasibonisa ama video walo prophet wathi TB Joshua. Asitshela ukuthi hayibo TB Joshua is spiritual father yakhe.
Yeah.
Spiritual father, what does it mean? Hayibo spiritual father it means ukuthi le anointing anayo yena umfundisi waseZambia uyithole uTB Joshua.
Yeah.
TB Joshua is spiritual father. So anisho nathi ke manje makasibonisa ama video kaTB Joshua abantu balapheka.
Yes.
People are walking.
Yeah.
People now uyalangazelela ukuthi Nkosi yami one day is one day. Hayi ngiqede ke varsity kube into yokuthiwa ayibo kuyahanjwa phela kune trip we were Nigeria shobona spiritual father
awunamanga ithini injabulo lapho
hayibo wema buka at that time magiwa ku trip the excitement beyigcwele ngaphansi kube phela nakhona futhi for you to go to the trip bayan assess ukuthi who's going who's not so ngafika no 100 bese bathatha of 100 kambe 30 kuphela
okay bakhethwa kanjani bakhethwelani futhi laba
bakhethwa ngaleso sikhathi sazi phela ukuthi khethwa kanjani so afike at that time umam Sandra ubesebenzela TB Joshua naye God rest the soul usekhothamile basebenze bas interview hayibo night trip se Nigeria sambe se Nigeria ngithatha leave ke mina emsebenzi
usuneminyaka emingaki lapho?
I think at that time I was 21.
Okay.
Tati leave emsebenzini I think 2021 somewhere there 2021 Tati leave because I just started ukusebenza Tati leave and in Nigeria uhlala 7 days angithi 7 days so Tati leave emsebenzini hayibo sihamba se Nigeria at that time ngiyakhumbula bengidriver iFiat Palio ngithanda ukuyithengela imoto yami Fiat Palio so ngishiye nobaba wami ngithi ngicela ayigade bengine flat ngihlala Auckland Park yabona nje kube into ukuthi hayi ngiyahamba ngiyabuya awangibuzanga elangeni mangifike eNigeria kanti dala kuplaniwe ngami incwadi ngami sivaliwe pheto kitu ukuthi usihle sibisi ngeke abuye
ngoba yini ngoba yini usezohlala lana aseva uNkulunkulu lana aseva abantu basesontweni kwenzakalani
alisho phela mase sifika lapha mawufika ulangazela ukubona uTB Joshua so for ngamabomu 7 days bazogcina lapha so every day Monday Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday nibukeliswa ama video nyagrumwa and then ngiyatshela ukuthi must be an attitude of prayer for those 5 days because phela umfundisi make kubona kufanele athola upure yabona and your thoughts at that time kufanele sibe pure so that maya ku prayer line umfundisi angageji ngawe yabona azokhuluma ukuthandazela hi but at that time mina ke ngabona ingane yakhe namanye ama disciples like maningi abantu basahlala phaya kuzwa ama disciples like abantu basale from all over the world
wait so nihlala kuphe hotel umuzi omkhulu
ukwenzakalani ngaleso sikhathi angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani but then ayibo Saturday night ke thiwa praise the Lord sicela ukuthi impahla nizogcoka Sunday ngesonto ku prayer line nigcoke namhlanje ngoba funeke senza I pre-interview before umfundisi ezokukhulekela so at mayidlala ku TV kubonakala ngathi it's one day you understand yes so if ngizogcoka lengubo emnyama Sunday ku prayer line Saturday night bazongicela ukuthi ngigcoke yona vele it's pre-interview so that Sunday mase babonisa ama video all over the world bayilinka as if bang interview on one day hayi nathi sivume guy ngicole ke mina ngiyakhumbula bengifaka irogo futhi iphop tube yami black phezulu nama flower enzansi but bengifake ne shawl yakhona ngibophile phela pre-interview Sunday ifike Sunday hayi kumnandi phela Sunday kumnandi konzweni to a prayer line mina mangena Nigeria my main issue was being a problem yendlebe I had a near operation but I was hearing ngihambe inzima kancane yabona so ngimina phela ne placard ibhale ear operation and then bona masifakele zabo izinto ke
closing
angaza ngathi babhala ngathi night husband angaze ukubhala into eziningi lapha because
night husband
yes and isho uzokutshela ukuthi they have to add those things so that umfundisi elakhi iphepha lima attract even more so ngeke babhala into eyodwa kuphela
okay
so uzobhala night husband babhala spirit of angaze babhala into eziningi
shuthi nje kahle kahle bawuyinto nje yomhlaba edungekile edinga usizo
mamela ngaso sikhathi uma wami ujabula uyafa usegoli ngoba phela nisho the fact ukuthi umaka sihle umntana wakhe usihle uye Nigeria ayibo that is status quo on its own anisho bona status quo ayibo prayer line happens yaqala ukumbona ke lo baba lo obviously sesigrumiwe uyamsaba uyamhlonipha you reverence him mefika ku prayer line andlula kuthinte ngapha mina ngathi kuphuma itop iphutube yami siyehlile kancane ngapha nje sengitshela ukuthi did you hear congratulations hayibo congratulations kwezakaleni like I didn't know what happened hayibo when you are staying uyasala you are staying
so kwenzekela into emva ukuthinta nje wasuvele wafana
nokukhulekayo not everybody like ngavele kwabe ushaya i-blackout bese uyavuka kube mnyama nje ushaya i-blackout bese uyavuka like kodwa mawuvuka abantu bashaya izandla ukuthi hayibo when you are the chosen one you're God's chosen one you will be the first black South African ezohlala esontweni
cheers
ngaleso sikhathi ama emotions awucabanga kahle and at that time you're thinking ukuthi hayi perfect great shot shuthi nje vele khawufile imurena ngiseduza noJesu phela manje hayi manje ke kube yisho ukuthi manje uma vele hayi ujabulile she's happy bamtshelile goal u right ubaba ngizomtshela kanjani Nkosi yami we hayi thiwe no baba wakho uzofonelwa bamfonela ubaba kuthiwa hayibo ingane yakhe ayisabuyi iyahlala la eNigeria she's chosen hayibo hayi ngempela ke ubaba wami umbona ukuthi yasangana le akayizwa nje kahle athi hayibo ngeke yami ingane ngifuna ukuza nje lapho eNigeria i-team engize nayo bahamba bangishiya kanjalo
bahamba bonke wena
ngasala mina it's only late I discovered ukuthi it was all planned vele bese dala ithombe zami zathunyelwe eNigeria bese bokuplanned nje ukuthi uyasala later sengiphakathi deep lapho so deep phakathi khona and remember we besigruma ukuthi we can't speak about certain things right so mangifika the first night I'm thinking okay kuyohlalwa
wapi ngifuna ukuza lapho sichazele manje
ukuthi mongene enkonzweni kune passage elide ama visitors ahlala lapho nyuka iDBC i first floor inkonzo main church Then the next level, I'm office. The next level, he camera late to Nama Tomazan, I'm a disciples. Maybe it's 2,000. Just women from anything, as long as you are a woman, you are in the same dormitory. So Nama double bank and apple. So share toilet, share shower. The next floor, yonke floor. Ega Nkoskas, got to be Joshua Yet and Ganzake floor.
Okay.
The next floor, abafana board. And then from there, my office. The last floor, Utibi Joshua Lape. Okay. So my figure, the first 2 weeks I was treated very nice. Okay. First 2 weeks, I'm from South Africa, the first black South African. I introduced her to the first white South Africans. I want to BBC documentary now. Angel. Angel and I, she was there. So now she was the first white South African. So now she knew how to entice me. Hi, you know, you are close to God. What you are. Oh, we are barely 2 weeks on sleep deprivation. Tiwa, nobody sleeps if daddy is not sleeping. No ways. You will be in trouble. You have to be something. So automatically, because I was put in the praise team by busy choristers. Yes. When go choristers, and then from the choristers, bank said this go admin department job. So during the day, man, you go admin, you go I'm a cell phone, my name, my phone. You are picking up the call. You want to go piece, yeah. Okay. On a cell phone, passport itatiwe. Passport, cell phones, so basically you can't have communication nabantu. Nothing. So they have to go through the process of writing an email to Daddy. What? Oh, my phone. Uzofona, ibanje omunye, usho ukuthi nakhona futhi basikhuluma lapha. By that time you speak pidgin English. So when you have phone and a hello, can I speak to Sikle? Hello, ma, how are you? Says Grumio. Yeah. Hello? Yeah, Minamzopendula. Yes, ma, how can I help you? I want to speak to my daughter. Sorry, ma, I can't hear you. Sorry, ma. Why? For then you get irritated for you to pick the phone. Go back. Because at that point you can't easily get hold of me. Do you understand? Sometimes the phone and goes, I want to speak to Sikle. Hey, mommy, sorry, you can't speak to Sister Sikle right now. Sister Sikle is in prayer. Please phone later. Thank you too. Wait, go by because there's protocol, everything must be done through TB Joshua. I want more from the no more cool, no more tin, if you don't get permission. TB Joshua behind my sleep, some man, you want my papers, a man. Yeah, Matiwa, Fungola. Funere, I must find the chance to bring some Tolakon. Man, give Bona Jengi, Daddy, I'm very tired, can I go sleep? Yes or no? Magate yes. Uzo thatha iphepha encane elibhala sign then mina mfuna ngilithathe ngilibonisa lo phethe I signature yakhe I home room ukuthi nayi mina nginepass yokuyolala. Jesus. Mawufuna imali funa ukuthola ipass everything must be signed for ipass without the pass nothing happens.
Sicela ubuye ke la ngokusuku bokuqala ke uthi usuyaqala ke manje usuyabizwa ke endlini enkulu.
So obviously by then you are there 1 month, but then now because I'm very curious. Sometimes phone sometimes the phone may color. Phone. Sister so and so, oh yeah, daddy is calling you. But I'm back to go to busy. So someone daddy is calling you, put it now. So now I'm thinking, why are babies on Minangabis? Because competition. Yes. And to show you Guti wanted to divide and rule us and make sure Guti as Tembani. Every night la paya bogne meeting. Every single night.
Okay, Eani.
In meeting you Guti sizo paisa na pay. Daddy paisa. O paisa sizo na pay. So gizoti daddy. Little daddy, Sal Beyonce today came to me and told me that yesterday you gave her an apple. Oh. How can you do that, Sal Beyonce? Huh? Do you not have respect for what daddy does with you? Why don't you tell everybody? So, for the first time you are exposed to seeing abantu shy. Because there are certain things that you can't share with certain people. So when you are exposing certain things, so that is why even if you know Baba Udedi did something to you, uvala umlomo uthi twi because awufuna ukushaywa phela nawe ngoba phela mawupayisa uzoshaywa. Then the fateful night happened where one day kwathiwa Sister Secret Daddy is calling you. Hayi ngiphume ngithi mina ke so bokhona usisi okubizwa uBhisola ukhona ku documentary naye. uBhisola was the pimp. Uyena ke ube lapha yana uyena bekhetha ukuthi namhlanje kuyabani akuyibani or whatever uye besebenzisana no TB Joshua documentary, and I think we've come a long way no Bisola because we had to sit down and actually make peace. She had to apologize to all of us because Masenzi reunion we all found out how can talk as a day so Bisola, but she was benefiting in the end of the day.
So masichaze lo muntu la manga understand ekhaya. So uBhisola kahle wawuyena kwakuthunywa yena edayisa ngamantombazane ewadayisela yena uTB Joshua.
Yebo Bisola. Ayiphi.
Yebo masebenzana uTB Joshua esebadayiselile.
Bukai. So Bisola uzozathi Sister Secret Daddy is calling you. So uye kuye athi oya alisho manje like ikamera lile phezulu but it's got different entrances and exits.
Oh man,
I go uzothi kuwe oya Sister Secret use the west wing.
Oh,
so when why look gibela west wing khona uyehlayo.
Oh, khona kuma again.
Asibonani phela lisho phela because there are different entrances. So mawunyuka for the first time jabulile lisho phela mawunyuka uphatha iBhayibheli lakho nepen because you must always have a pen and a Bible in hand to show ukuthi you are spiritual. Uyafunda manje ngoNkulunkulu. Ngigijima ngifike phezulu umnyango omncane. Uvuleke umnyango. Mengena. Ayibo. Ngiyaqala ukungena kule ndawo lena. Akusi office lakhe ngijwayele. Upstairs ikamera lakhe. Ngigijima ngifike phezulu umnyango omncane. Uvuleke umnyango. Mengena. Ayibo. You know, I'm shocked. I'm surprised nami because I'm thinking good ayibo. What's happening here, you know, because I'm supposed to be I'm thinking Guti, what's going on here because Udedi megekbiza usually you thinking it's prayer, you know. Hayibo nangu kusihle kuyangena roomini la kaDaddy mofika roomini la kaDaddy uDaddy idimina yakhe akusile ngijwayele yakababa uyabona. Avela jika namehla akhe ajikile ngisunderstand ukuthi kwenzakalani avela athi oya Secret ngithi yes daddy athi oya take your pants down
you my dad
guys wasikhathi like ngathi you are take your pants down
yep
hayibo ngimbheke ngigabaza athi please take your pants down siyathetha manje uvela uyehlise ukhumule athi oya take your clothes off vele ukhumule athi oya lie down
ulaya kuphi njalo
lie down ngilala phansi phela
awukumbhede lapho kulela office
mamela it was a carpet lale phansi mengilala phansi ke lapho avele angikhwele mengikhwela kanjalo into engayizwa nje ukuthi nje khona nje bongazi ukuthi silwane noma umuntu kodwa khona into ephefumulayo la kuwena uyezwa nje ukuthi something ephefumulayo but ubhlungu obuzwayo you don't understand ukuthi what is going on. I think kuleyo situation usunami nje usuphelelwe like imizwa ama emotions and at the same time uyazibona ukuthi ayibo ngiyazizwa ukuthi ngila kodwa Nkosi yami akusiyimina lona ngiyaphupha iphupho elikhulu leli iphupho leli this is not happening. Uma seqedile kanjalo ke na uDaddy ke meqedile nawe uvela phakame asukume athathi unevaslap emhlophe thathi vaslap yakhe emhlophe athi oya open avela thathi vaslap akusule yena ngaphakathi ayithathi vaslap ayibophele angaze ayibeke kusinye isikhama athi oya put on your clothes go out
kanjalo nje
uqedile ngawo
akho mhlambi nokuthi akuqabuleke mbijana
so maphuma mawehla uhlangana naye lo Bisola lokise lapha ya so mawehla wena ke uBhisola manje mehlangana nawo mesohlangana naye uBhisola moseyehlile downstairs akusukuthi unendaba ngokuthi unjani how are you no ugadile manje ukuthi ukhuluma nobani like sekagade your moves ukuthi how are you behaving normal
uDaddy lapha akho mhlambe comfort inyana kunika yona ukuthi uzizwe mhlambe ungconywana no Bisola naye into efanayo
uBhisola ngaso sikhathi masowehlile idebhiso vela athi oya Sister Secret oya Ron choristers are rehearsing so you go back as if everything is normal.
Okay, so akasho nokuthi ena ungayikhulumi lento yenzekela
nothing is being said to you uqhubeke nawe but every corner subona uBhisola and manje so awusakwazi ukuthi ubehave kanjani manje ngoba awazi ukuthi uyazi number 1 ukuthi if ngayikhuluma lento ebusuku kuzoba ne-meeting kule meeting ngizobhonya so bagadile manje ukuthi ubehave kanjani are behaving strangely
ukhandiye ukuthi ungathi vu
so monitored so uyazi ukuthi whatever but at the same time ingqondo ayivumi ukamukela ukuthi hayibo uDade uqeda ukungenza into
njani nje phela angithi nikhandwe ukuthi ningayicabanga izinto ezimbi ngoDade ngoba phela mawuyicabanga emqondweni ukuthi umqondo ngeke umuntu kaNkuluNkulu lo muntu kaNkuluNkulu
uyakubona uyakuzwa
buka into yokuthi awusakwazi manje ukuthi you can't tell ukuthi ngempela yenzekile noma ngiyayiphupha lento but moye bathroom muyithinta ngaphansi uyanuka uyezwa manje ukuthi no khona into yenzekile la kumina. But then life continues. Ngaleso sikhathi ngalelo langa ke it's a day ozosebenza kakhulu ke. Bese after about 2-3 hours I meeting. Kuleyo meeting awazi noma uDade ubheke emehlweni noma umshalazele awazi ukuthi wenzeni but kuleyo meeting for some reason he will pick on you.
Athini?
Uzo pick on you athi oyasikhle stand up. Usukumeke wena athi anyone here who has a problem with Sister Sikhle. Hayi abantu ngathi ba prepariwe ukuthi nje bakuthele ngeinkinga zokuthi wenzeni just to break you. And they are doing all of this to break you mentally, emotionally, spiritually ukuthi nje ubone ukuthi ubone ukuthi la ekhaya whatever happens one awutshela umuntu number 2 uDade maseshuba akalithathela igama ngathi khathi you're hoping ukuthi uzokholwa wena because hey Bob Dade uqeda ukunginyukubeza le ngaphezulu lutho nix akakubona ukuthi izivaselipiga izibhodo
ukwenza lokho wakwenza lokho kuwena kangaka wakwenza kanye waqeda ngawe or noma waphinde futhi kwaqhubeka
no kwaba into eqhubekayo ukuthi nje uyazi nje makuthiwa Sister Sikhle Daddy is calling you mabathi Sister Sikhle Daddy is calling you and then mabathi 5 story
yep
uyazi ke 5 story
uyona ukubeka
uyazi ukuthi hayi sokuzoyenzeka it's going to happen I mean even it happened nase crusade saya ku crusade na eSingapore it happened nakhona futhi lapho I mean uDade bikalala in a different hotel from us but then you will get a call in your room ukuba ngathi sikhathi mina ke so funny ngathi sikhathi ku crusade eSingapore bengilala no Bisola nomfazi kaDade ama rooms wethu were interleading Twa uBisola afike imathi oyasekhle Daddy wants you like already ubheka ngale look yokuthi uyazi ufune kwenzakani so uzoya downstairs ugijezwe emotweni drive to his hotel room ufika hotel room yakhe labo sesabaculayo ba u3 the famous ones abaculayo enkonzweni yakhe uN uAnu no boss bakhona lapho ibona abamphekelayo mawufika lapho uku presidential suit so mawungena vele I lounge khishi uya straight ekamereni mawufika uDade vele athi oya makathi oyaso uyazi vele ukhumuleke nawe vele ulaleke phela ke enza into ayenzayo ngawaqedeke
konke lokhu umukhulelwa kwenzekana akwazeni ufinyelele esimini sokuthi ukhulelwe ke manje
right problem comes musukhulelwe awusaye esikhathini ke manje so ukhulelwe
bese uyabika ke
funeka uyobika phela manje nakhona mawubika futhi angeke uvele uyotshela noma yini noma ubani uzoya like mina for example ngaya ku Bisola ngathi Sister Bisola see you hey this my period is not coming again to Sister Bisola for how long it hasn't been coming this whole month I not get it again so most people bazo to Sister speech as a lapid pidgin English I stayed in Nigeria guys ngiyazela lapho
yes
then that's when I discovered ukuthi kune clinic underground esontweni
unamanga engazi ngayo
underground yabona lapha enima khona nthandaza nithi Jesus is Lord ikule auditorium underground lapho kune clinic full fledged clinic kuno nurse kuno dokotela full fledged wangithatha uBisola ngaya lapha enzansi bathi oyaphi bathatha pregnancy stick
but
mayithi positive oya no problem oya sleep on the bed now so uyalaliswa embedeni full fledged clinic I can still yabona ngiba traumatized ngicabanga because mina lapha enkonzweni I had 3 abortions 3 abortions because ngathi Josh
bakhiphisa isisu kathathu
3 mamela uyathathwa and nakhona futhi mawulaliswa embedeni akunegotiate lapha yakuthiwa hayi it's my body ngifuna ukugcina lesisu no uyathatha ulaliswa bese inyawo zakho bazibeka so ngathi inkukhu uyazi bakubophe so inyawo lele so uvula inyawo bakubophe inyawo then uzofika usister mayifika usister ufika nento engathi insimbi uyazi into yaziyo nje iwarm lento vela ayifaka ayithi go ingaphakathi kwakho mase ingenile ngaphakathi uyayitwista
hey
mayiceda ukuyitwista kanjalo kuvela ukuthi qhu uyazi so khona into ayihlabile ngaphakathi kwakho why twister and then makayidonsa ukuthi wena you can feel ingaphakathi yakho ukuthi khona into edonsekayo kuvela ukuthi uyezwa meqeda ukuthi kanjalo avela idonse nayo ke from that time uzowopha sisi you will bleed like crazy but muwopha ucabanga ukuthi ngiqedile eroomini lutho uhlala lapha enzansi until uqeda ukupha mawopha kanjalo ufaka ama pads lawo ama pads mawafakiwe ayathathwa afake eplasticini agcinywe lapho athatha plasticini agcinywe
alondolozwa yibo agcinwa yibona phela akalisha uhamba ungakaqedi ukupha so uhlala lapho and then mase uqedile ukupha ke wena ke ilapho ke level 2 lapho so introduce khona ke into enza khona ke manje ngoba phela igazi lami ngithi yimbe ngopha nisho uthola ukuthi ngidlale lapho 7 days
ne uhlele clinic 7 days
awuphuma wopha
mina ngithi into yamahora
and we ngeke uphuma ungakaqedi ukupha and into abakunika yona kuphela uPanado
okay uzoqhubeka usitshela ukuthi izinto zakho introduce kuyona sixolise kubalaleli kulakhulukazi laba abazwelayo njalo nana siyaxolisa kakhulu bandla kusami kulelo side uintroduce ke kwizinto zakho nake iziphi lezo zinto
hayi then kuzothiwa oya ngathi isikhathi masihleli lapho mind you I'm not the only girl lapho
nibaningi
kodwa sikhulumisani umuntu nomuntu uzela indaba yakho la sonke siyazi ukuthi vele sokhipha izisu and asakubuzwana phela nje sifuna ukushaywa emeetingini so usiyabonana but asikhulumi bese uzothathwa ukuthi sister Sikhle oya come bathi oya come with your plastic mase basho ukuthi uqedile ukopha uyahamba uyiswe mountain uTV Joshua bekane prayer mountain yakhe hayi le nibone TV nini le sithele le namafish amaningi lapho begunda ama pubic hairs wakadlisa amafish kona thatho lawo ma plastic lakho lama pads wakho ke iwona ke lawa thathwa ke mawufika ke ungena endumbeni yakhona you know ngikhumbula mengifika kuleyo ndumba leyo ngasikhathi ubhiso la ukhona uhamba nobhiso la mawufika kuleyo ndumba yakhona kuthiwa oh yeah no screaming here no screaming you don't dare scream whatever you see you don't scream you keep quiet daddy will not hurt you
hayibo
so automatically you are told so uyathula uthi tu hayi mawungena endumbeni lapho bavele bathathe bathi oh yeah throw this your plastic in ngathi yini it's umqomo omkhulu like a cannibal yini ubizani lo mqomo omkhulu lo wesintu like
imbiza
lo wembiza but umkhulu uvela ulahlele lapho awunakile ngaleso sikhathi bese wathatha lapho kuthiwa oh yeah lie down hayibo again lie down sengilalelani ke manje and mawufika kuleyo ndawo leyo vele already iyashunqa kushuka inuka impepho but ngiyayizwa ukuthi impepho but impepho le uleso phansi ke lapho ke bekwa amakhandlela around you kuqhamuka umlisa kufake into ebovu uyayibona mawujabheka ne voice udedi Nkosi
oyema
oyema abelathi oya bisola did she throw her plastic then uzovuma uBisola then bakhuluma language engayizwa ke mina yakhe then from there oya Bisola wait outside Bisola must wait outside so meke mengaphansi uBisola mina sengilele flat pants lapho ke again uzongikhwela ke but this time mekukhwela ke lapho ke that's when the first time I was introduced to inyoka zakhe ke zilapho
siyaxolisa futhi ngamagama aqojem akunukubeze futhi inyoka ke sizenzani ke manje ke
hayibo while he's busy on top of you nangu as I say you don't know ukuthi ulala naye noma isilwane because the way aphefumula ngakhona is not the same so at that point ubheke phezulu you are
traumatized.
You are numb. You are just thinking uNkulunkulu just help me. You understand? While busy now ke lapho uzozwa man khona into ehambayo in this room but awukho sure. So while is on you at some point mawuthi uthikanda ayibona ikubhekile lento. Uyayibona? Ikubhekile lento. Mawuthi hayibo inyoka hawe ma you are numb you just die completely. Bese qedile ke ngawe ke oh yeah put on your clothes oh yeah go uyabuyisela esontweni awusawopha uqedile ngawe you continue life continues and then from there bakuthatheke behind the stage enkonzweni kune swimming pool kune swimming pool lapho
so leyo swimming pool nakhona khona into yakhe vele lapho ke ehlala phakathi kule swimming pool ngene ibone nina because angeke niye nifunani kuleyo swimming pool emva stage kuyathina ka lesho sengiqedile lapha entabeni then ngifune ngibuyisele ke sengiyogezwa ke manje swimming pool behind the stage basically I'm being cleansed and renewed again sengi right back to normal same
so onke lezi makhulu ngamakhulu amantombazana lapha adlule kulento le
sonke yazi masenza iBBC masenza iBBC documentary I was so surprised because it took 3 years for them to do the documentary but masenza reunion all the girls and babona ku documentary bonke bokuyilento ukuthi siyakhombana konke ukuthi
abaphesha welo andle ko England abelungu
ama China amandiya wonke umuntu sonke
mawucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngoba kwakukhona neyabafana phezulu mhlawumbe naku kwakwenze ukuthi mhlawumbe ayibandekanye noma nikubeze bona abafana ayingekho mhlawumbe izinto ezikanjalo amaheli
angikaze ngambona ke nabafana but khona abanye abakhulumayo abasho izinto ezinjalo enye futhi ethusayo ukuthi umuntu menyamalala sibuzani phela ukuthi ukuphi umuntu
khona abanyamalalayo
sometimes uthi uyandlula uyahamba ubona isidumbu ngeke awusibonanga angibonanga lutho mina ngazi
so kwenzeka abanye bafe
baningi abantu abashona abafa enkonzweni sihlala nabo but uthula uthi du imindeni mayizobuza ngemndeni ukuthi hayibo inganyamba ehlala la what happened hayibo TB Joshua phela usebenza namaphoyisa wangaleso bayakhona ukusebenza kahle ababribe kamnandi understand
ukudilika kwesonto ke lona ke lidilika nikuphi nendawo
hayibo mame like so isonto remember njengathi structure sesonto ilapho kuhlala kuthina nkosikazi wakhe ama disciples wonke no TB Joshua uhlala in that structure akudilikanga istructure sesonto kudilike lapho kuhlala ama visitors khona across the road lelinye ibhilida lakhile across the road
so kudilikanga kunini
akudilikanga kuthina but ikudilike across the road but now here's the thing mina makudilike ibhilidi I was gone long gone
kanjani ke
hayibo mfethu you know I always say this there was a time ubethanda ukuthi TB Joshua ukumema abantu abakhulu there was a time wamema iJoy celebration wayemema ukuthi ize ka TB Joshua for birthday yakhe bazocula you understand so I've been staying there for years sengikwazi ukukhuluma nePidgin English so mongibuka ngeke usho ukuthi ngumZulu you think I am part of the crew so being a groupie I was ngabona uJabu Hlongwane hayibo ngamjabulela hawu Hlongwane wavela ngibheka uJabu Hlongwane wathi mina ufunani la wathi ufunani la ngathi mina hayi abazali bami bangiletha athi hayibo kanti ukwazi ukukhuluma isiZulu ngathi mina yes ngiyakwazi ukukhuluma isiZulu athi kumina hayibo abazali bakho nje babakushiye lana kushuthi abakuthandi wena abakudinga ekhaya yabona that's when for the first time I had a loud vibe moment like ngabona ulayitelwe ukuthi what am I doing here now the problem is ngizohamba kanjani because passport lisofisini
sindele engxoxo ngenza ukuthi siphinde sixolise futhi ngokuthi kuphinde kuqhamuke namagama abanye abantu kodwa ke vele ingxoxo mayisuka injalo nomlando nakulakudlule khona kuba kanjalo kube kade twethu sibheka amaphethelweni manje
that's why ngithi mina for me I'll forever thank uBaba Hlongwane for celebration because if I didn't meet him in Nigeria I think uNkulunkulu wakhanda ukuthi ngihlangane naye ngibe igroup for him to say to me ufunani la what are you doing here that's when I had a light bulb moment and then for the first time now I started thinking ngizohamba kanjani la how do I live but then I knew ukuthi each time umfundisi had a crusade the first trip from Nigeria would fly to South Africa Gobo Nomuza South Africa and then we'd spend a day or two then we connect to the next country that we're going to but at that time when you flown down to South Africa I mean your passport is in your hand so that night I remember we flew to South Africa safika South Africa salale ebusuku ngiphethe passport wami nguphethe kanjani passport wami one day ukubana lelanga lokuthi uthi it's either now or never khona ubhuto benza ingadi lapha endlini yakhe passport yami ngiyithathile I remember ngiyifake la ku bodies la eceleni ngavele ngame egedini ubhuto enza ingadi ngaphuma straight ngathi la it's either now or never ubhuto yangibuza oh yeah sister Sikhle where you going ngathi I'm coming sister Sikhle ngathi I come mamela akusunga ngagijima yaso ngamisa imoto first car I stopped ngena phakathi ngathi kumina drive manje umlungu lo uthukile what happened ngathi please just drive ngishiya phone ngishiya everything impahla zami kwasandla the only thing I had on me was my passport I can't go home ngoba uma wami phela ke she's part of the church, she's a head pastor.
Umthemba kakhulu baba emanzwani namanje noma
till today uma wami wangifakela protection order 4 years ago wafakela mina nezingane zami protection order ukuthi until I go back ngixolise ngithi hayi amanga it didn't happen akangidingi
so ngoba ukhuluma kabi udate manje so anzazwani ke nomama
angimkhuluma kabi ngikhuluma about the pain nokuyukubeza that I went through. All I wanted mean and everything I've ever seeked for was I'm sorry for taking you to the church.
Khona isikhoma siphethe sengane isikhoma sikabani lesi
This bag is my daughter's bag.
Isikhoma sengane yakho
So my daughter hey Nkosi yami she nge8 zaka January I documentary aka TB Joshua aired in the country. And I carry this bag because I believe my daughter is with me in spirit. Unfortunately for me, nge 11 zaka January 3 days after a documentary, my daughter passed on. She was 10 years old.
Oh no.
Can I tell you, people abazibiza ngokuthi abazalwane angibafuni phambi kwami because abantu abazibiza abazalwane they were very cruel, but ingane kaSihle bajabula touch not my anointed unayekile uSihle washonela ingane ubesukela uTB Joshua manje uNkulunkulu uyampanisha ingane ishonile, it's your fault ingane ishonile
kwenzakalani enganeni.
Let me tell you, that is why I demanded ukuthi I want an autopsy done. Ngifuna ukwazi what happened to my daughter. Lo and behold, our doctor maybe check medically kwathiwa my daughter suffered a ruptured brain aneurysm. Hey bo, what is a ruptured brain aneurysm? But give me she had a hemorrhage. Hemorrhage, doctor. Then they explained ukuthi 1 in 5 people are walking around with an unruptured aneurysm. And Lentolena, it could be genetically, and there are no signs and symptoms. Meaning ukuthi she had a bleeding of a vein in the head which burst. It's a ruptured brain aneurysm. So for me now, once I got a medical diagnosis about doctor, I told myself that ukuthi abazalwane bathini angihlangene lapho I don't care. That is why khona bloggers who have opened case against abazalwane that have opened cases against who are saying ingane yami ibulawe because of TB Joshua blah blah blah, because that's defamation of character. That's cyberbullying. It's not true. My daughter had a ruptured brain aneurysm.
All right, Mahlazi siyabonga sesiphetha njengane kwethu umbuze nginawo wodwa nje usakholwa inkosi uJesu?
Ngisakholwa inkosi uJesu because I believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona, and the reason why I believe ukhona uSihle Sibisi usamile namanje uSihle Sibisi usaphila.
Yes,
it's unfortunate ukuthi ingane yami ihambile. Yes, I think she lived a full life, my daughter. I'm raising a 14-year-old right now. The fact that I'm still able to sit here and talk to you guys, that means uNkulunkulu ngempela uyena obhala impilo yomuntu and no one has a say over it.
Uyakholela ukuthi ushonile emhlabeni usakhona emhlabeni noma usewafa nawe uTB Joshua?
Hawe mama angazi ngoba phela ngesazi ukuthi bafaka istatue kulela glass bese ngoba why maybe sebamngcwaba inside esontweni balivala zange sesibona leso statue singena phakathi. If usaphila oyakhe noNkulunkulu wakhe, but if ushone ngempela condolences ngempela kumndeni wakhe, but ufihlwe lapha phakathi enkonzweni.